To insert autosum, we can of course go to the Formulas tab and press autosum, or we can go to the Home tab and press autosum. But we can also use a shortcut for this. That's Alt plus the equal sign. So if I now go here to the bottom of my dataset and press Alt plus equal, you can see that the autosum is also added automatically. And for those who noticed, you may have seen that I pressed Alt plus Shift plus 0. That's because I have another keyboard layout. So to get the Alt plus equal shortcut, I press Alt plus Shift plus 0. So it might vary for you how you access the equal sign, but Alt plus equal sign and how you get there is up to your layout.